take a look at team diversity. Organizational psychologists think of teams and organizations as open systems. They're characterized by interdependent internal parts or subsystems and dependency upon the external environment for sustaining resources to those output. Applying this definition to teams, membership is usually specified. Team members are interdependent, and if one leaves or is replaced, others must readjust. From the organizational environment, the team receives tasks, assignments, members, and resources for processing work, which becomes output into that environment. The system helps to clarify successes and difficulties for work teams. However, frequently, individual behavior and results of team efforts are constrained by factors in the team's environment. Does the team receive sufficient proactive inputs or appropriate inputs? Do internal processes operate effectively? Because the team is interdependent, changes elsewhere will produce adjustments in the team.